And then last thing is our validate field function. In validate field function, what we are doing? We are validating if for CUSTBODY 132, which is sales rep hours. If, by any chance, if the sales rep number, if the number is any chance less than 1001, then we'll show an alert and return false. Okay. Yeah, this is sales rep and it should at least be 1001 and then return false. $1,001. If it is greater than 1001. There is no, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, just that is enough. Yeah, perfect. Now and field change what we are doing. We are validating if there is any value change on sales rep. Our sales rep now number, which is CUSTBODY 132, then we are setting the sales rep R as 100. Okay, very, very small activity. Yeah, it's an easy one. Yeah. So let's quickly see this in. So as soon as I loaded the sales order, you see the value is defaulted to 1001 here and sales rep R is 0. Perfect, yeah, now let's see, I make this. Yes. I think there is some other script which is also deployed and now this is another thing going to customization script and scripted record. You can see the list of script deployed or any record. So what happens is, as soon as this page is initialized, you will see the default values coming as sales rep number 1001 and the sales rep R is 0. This is what we have written in the script. You can see the default values here. And then in field change what we are doing. If we change value for this field, then your sales rep R will become 100. That is the logic we had put. Let's say, if I make it as 1002 and tab out, you will see the sales rep R 100. Now, third thing is on the save record. Save record. I told you, we are just saving these records and populating. We will now save. Before that, we will show it as a pop-up. What are the values for these two fields? I click on save and you see this pop-up. Value for sales rep number is 1002 and sales rep R is 100. And if I click OK, it will go to save. But right now, we have not entered all the mandatory feed values. So the standard validation is showing that. Sure. So this is like a very small example of what can be done using a client script. Now the assignment information which I shared with you. You can work on that. So it will give you a hands-on experience for both of them, for the client and user, and both. You can have a hands-on experience. And once we talk about this client script, linking client script to the suite later. That is our topic. After we finish the scripting, basic scripting, then we will have a complex client script and suite lead problems. Sure, definitely.